getting out of here. Had that one bluefish drop off right at the top. Guy on a bike. Everybody's freaking out. Didn't see many. Seen 2 legal rocks caught. Alright. Black sea bass. Lift it up, buddy. Here, give me it.
Hold the line and cut yourself. Cut your fingers.
Yeah! Needlefish, baby. Ah, there we go. Yeah, baby. Hey, Craig. Fish on. Look yeah. Flounder, baby. First flounder of the year for me. Probably about 15-inch flounder. Alright. That was a nicer one. Just lost a nicer flounder, probably about 16, close to legal. Here's another flounder. Yep, here's another flounder. There's another flounder, number 4. Finally caught and landed something for the night. I don't know why he's all bloody. It's a big shad. Alright, I gotta let him go. Got a bluefish, I think. Oh no, flounder. Got a flounder. Alright. This is actually my 5th flounder of the day. It's awesome. Big ray below me. Waiting to see if more blues come through tonight. Currently after 2:30, we're finally getting out of here. I only got that one shad, but had at least 50 different fish underneath me messing around eating bait fish. It's a mixture of blues and shad, striper, and everything, but I only had that one big striper on, but he got off and caught that one. Alright. Needlefish bit on a speck rig. Alright. He broke my speck rig. Hey, guy, he miscuts, he broke my speck rig.
Hold on, I'm going to ask you what you caught him on.
Speck rig.
You gonna keep him?
Can you eat these?
I don't know why not.
That's what I was thinking. I think I might actually attempt to keep this and see what it tastes like. I don't see why not. Is there regulations on them?
That's really bony as hell, huh?
That's what I was thinking. I think I'm just gonna take a new fish. Freaking piece of shit. Second needlefish on a freaking speck rig. Alright. I got a sea bass. Here's another one. Tail hook. There's another one. Greg got another little one. He's a keeper. There he is. Number 4. Slamming them. Out here they're needlefish or needle gar. Guys take them. Rusty's nice dude. Taking the fish. I thought I seen a couple blues come through, but I think they were just smaller needles. It's alright. There he is. Oh. Freaking broke my line. Needlefish. Oh, it's a nice one. All right. Big horseshoe crab. Fucking shit. Ah, there he goes. Here, bring it in. No, it's a striped bass, buddy. There you go. Little bluefish.
Yeah.
Craig got a bluefish.
Well,
there you go.
It's
Flounder. All right, there he is.
Looks like he just pulled out a piece of white cardboard.
Oh my.
Hey, Jay, I ain't touching him. Yeah, and let me need a stump by one. I just want my hook back, that's all I want. I just want my hook, that's all I want.
His tail's underneath.
Bunch of rays. I just lost one. Hopefully I didn't lose my sinker. Keep hooking on the rays. Thank gosh, it only broke my hook. All right, got a bluefish, small bluefish. All right. Sorry, little guy. Okay. Needlefish number 9. All right. Oh, whatever they are, it's a shad. Blue, that's a blue. I can't tell. I got something nice. A bluefish, baby. Mm-mm. Is that a blue? Do you see stripes on it? Hey, can you hold the rod? I'm gonna lift him up in my hands. I'm planning on it. No. What is this thing? If this is a bluefish, it's just made my whole vacation. And guess what it is, Mom? It's a bluefish. Oh my gosh, that's probably one of the biggest blues I ever caught. Alright, probably about a 21-inch blue. Alright, gotta take some pictures. Freaking these things can eat stuff that's bigger than them. Oh no, bluefish, baby. First blue of the day. Alright, there we go, bluefish. What's this one, another striper? Bring it over. Don't break the speck rig, because you don't have many. Hand it to me. Oh, there you go, striper. School of stripers came through, hoping maybe that there's a bigger one. Bluefish, I got a blue, she got 2 stripers. We were the only people in this whole bridge fishing. There's the ray.
especially with the tide coming in.
There's a dolphin out in front of us. He might pop up right there. Dolphin on the 50 bridge. All right. Day out on the bridge. 3 stripers, 1 blue, not too shabby. The tide came in at 5 o'clock in the morning, so we were out here at 3. And it looked like it was going to be a slow day, but it ended up being good. Alright. Even left the camera at the car. I caught a striper on this gotcha plug, and the hook went through my fingers. So yeah, that was a shit show.